Give me odorous at sunrise, a garden of beautiful flowers where I can walk undisturbed. To destroy is still the strongest instinct in nature. We cannot command nature except by obeying her. A tree is an incomprehensible mystery. We have the capacity to receive messages from the stars and the songs of the night winds. All are but parts of one stupendous whole, whose body nature is, and God the soul. I'm very gregarious, but I love being in the hills on my own. Bats drink on the wing, like swallows, by sipping the surface, as they play over pools and streams. Nature is the master of talents. Genius is the master of nature. With the coming of spring, I am calm again.